Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to be starting off with another chapter, and the name of the chapter is Government and Laws. So let's get to know more about it. You have heard people talking about government and politics before, but what does that mean? Have you ever heard about it or ever thought about it what it actually means? So to understand what a government is, let's go back a bit and think about what is a country. So you can think of many examples of countries like United States, Pakistan, Canada, and all of these countries. But here we are going to be talking about United States. So that is a country, right? Then there is Canada, and there are many countries. We also talked about Pakistan. So these were the three countries among many countries, right? So what is a country? कंट्री क्या होती है? कंट्री वो होती है, a country has borders that define what part is part of the country. Means एक certain land का area होता है, उसको define करता है. As you can see in the map, there is a black line going around between United States and Canada, which is dividing the two countries. So a country has borders that define what land is part of the country, right? So people in a country usually have many things in common, which means they do things mostly the same way, right? Within a country, people usually speak a common language like English, or maybe Urdu in Pakistan, or Japanese in China, or Hindi in India, Bengali in Bangladesh, etc. And they usually also have a common religion, a religion like Christianity or Islam, but not always. There are many more religions as well. As in Pakistan, we have dominant religion, that is Islam, but we also have Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, etc. We say the people of a country make up the society of that country. People in a society generally want to help each other and cooperate so that they can live in peace and harmony with each other. But not always. Some people, some of the time, commit crimes, like we get our phones crashed, or we get thieves inside our house, they hurt us and rob and cheat others. Societies face other problems as well. For example, poverty, lack of education, that we need education to prosper, so we need education to learn things like reading, basic maths, and how the world works. For that we need education, so societies also lack. So to solve such problems and problems for the whole country like war, some people are given authority. Authority means they have the power. Power to do what? Power to resolve disputes, power to resolve problems of the people, not to have any other criminal activities, but to resolve the disputes, the problem that the people are having. So when I was a child, I was very puzzled by the words such as government and politics, but now maybe I can help you understand it. The people with power, the people given authority over people, are who we mean by government, because government helps the people to have a better lifestyle, to help the economy of the country to prosper, etc. So गवर्नमेंट में क्या होता है, हम एक जो है ग्रुप को हम या एक बंदे को हम अथॉरिटी दे देते हैं, एंड they help that is called government, and those people have the power to rule over us, and they solve problems for us. As we discussed the problems like lack of education, poverty, because these are the basic problems that are there in Pakistan as well. So I hope it made it clear for you what government is. So in the next video we are going to be learning about types of governments, and in this video we learned what actually a government is. I hope you enjoyed and understood the concept of government. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.